Welcome to lake life in the heart of Warr Acres. Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom plus a study and bonus room home with so many upgrades. Beautiful large windows that complement this open floor plan and amazing view of the lake. Such an open and bright space. The kitchen features granite countertops, beautiful backsplash and breakfast bar, very open to the living room. There is a nice eat-in kitchen as well as a formal dining/living room located off the kitchen. The spacious master retreat features a beautiful tray ceiling, large ensuite master bath/spa that boasts of double sinks, jetted tub, nice shower and large master closet, located on the first level of the home. The second level includes a large bonus room, 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Enjoy lake views and cookouts on the stunning back covered deck. Have fun on the lake with